Whereas Insta360 has become well known for its cutting-edge 360 and small action cameras. In order to compete with DJI, the company's newest product, called Flow, offers superior smartphone stability. In other words, the Flow represented Insta360's effort to surpass DJI and overtake it as the leading smartphone stabilizer. Nonetheless, DJI has held a commanding position in the gimbal market for a huge amount of time. DJI has developed 6 incarnations of a stabilizer line, with the most recent being the DJI OM6. In order to determine what distinguishes the thermostat from other devices, we're going to compare the DJI OM6 and Insta360 Flow in today's video. Starting with the design, both Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 are portable and easy to carry. Their foldable and compact design makes them easier to pack and transport. You can easily fit them into your bag or pocket and take them anywhere you go. While both gimbals look almost similar, Insta360 added a pretty unique design idea. Not just the gimbal folds up pretty neatly, but the arm is clear plastic. So, you can actually see the electronics inside, which is a bit different. Also, you can place a custom design inside this to make your own. In the middle, you'll find a smart wheel that boasts the minimalistic design and gives you quick and easy access to a host of useful functions, which seems much more convenient compared to the side wheel that the DJI OM6 comes with. Moreover, the Insta360 Flow is slightly heavier than the DJI OM6. Anyway, the Insta360 Flow supports compatible phones weighing up to 300 grams, whereas the DJI OM6 can hold up to 290 grams. Insta360 Flow comes with a built-in selfie stick, tripod, and works as a power bank, making it a versatile and all-in-one device. It offers everything you need to create on the go. Get the perfect angle, get up stay straight shots, or charge your phone. DJI OM6 on the other hand has an elegant slate grey design that is stain resistant and coated in a non-slip texture, making it easy to grip. Furthermore, both Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 offer 3-axis stabilization technology that helps capture smooth footage. However, DJI OM's advanced stabilization technology compensates for unwanted movements more effectively, giving it an edge over the Insta360 Flow. When it comes to tracking, Insta360 Flow comes with Deep Track 3.0 and AI-powered tracking feature that keeps subjects in focus with unmatched accuracy and flexibility. It offers person ray identification, slow motion tracking, and zoom tracking features. On the other hand, DJI OM6 has Active Track 5.0 that follows your subject smoothly and keep them center frame. It's ideal for when you want to tell a story. While both stabilizers offer to track, Insta360 Flow's Deep Track 3.0 provides more features and flexibility than DJI OM's Active Track 5.0. Both Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 come with a quick launch feature, making them easy to set up and start shooting in seconds. However, Insta360 Flow's one-step rapid deployment is a more convenient feature, as it requires no untwisting or pressing the power button, and is ready to shoot instantly. Additionally, Insta360 Flow Smart Wheel provides quick and easy access to shooting controls, video replay, and other functions, making it easy to use in the DJI OM6. In terms of battery life, the Insta360 Flow boasts an impressive 12 watts of battery life, thanks to its 2900 mAh battery, which is the best on the market. On the other hand, DJI OM6 has a battery life of up to 6.4 hours, which is significantly lower than the Insta360 Flow's battery life. If you are planning to shoot for an extended period, Insta360 Flow is the better option here. As for the price, both of the gimbals come with the same price tag of $159, though the Insta360 Flow offers few extra features compared to the OM6, but think OM6 is more reliable as DJI making gimbals for years. In conclusion, Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 are both excellent smartphone gimbal stabilizers that offer various features to help you capture smooth and stable footage. Insta360 Flow's Deep Track 3.0, one-step rapid deployment, smart wheel, and all-in-one design make it more user-friendly and versatile. Its 12 hours of battery life also make it a better option for extended shoots. However, DJI OM6 also has advanced stabilization technology and the sleek design with a non-slip texture, making it top-of-the-line gimbal. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be useful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this in your feed.